Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Desi Daru at home using an easy method. However, it is crucial to prioritize safety and understand the legal implications. Home distillation carries significant risks, including the production of dangerous substances like methanol. Always ensure your equipment is meticulously clean and sterilized. Familiarize yourself with local regulations concerning alcohol production to avoid legal issues. Your well-being is paramount throughout this process. To begin your home brewing journey, you will need a few basic items. The core ingredients are simple: sugar, water, and a good quality distiller's yeast. For equipment, a large fermentation vessel, perhaps a 20-liter food-grade bucket, is ideal. An airlock is crucial to keep unwanted bacteria out while letting carbon dioxide escape. Finally, a hydrometer will help you track the sugar conversion and estimate your alcohol content. Now, let's get to the heart of the process: fermentation. Start by dissolving about 5 kilograms of sugar into 15 liters of warm water, ensuring it's fully mixed. Once the mixture cools to around 25 degrees Celsius, add 1 packet of distiller's yeast. Seal your fermentation vessel with an airlock and place it in a dark, consistently warm spot. This crucial stage usually takes 7 to 10 days for the yeast to convert the sugars into alcohol. The final step, distillation, separates the alcohol from your fermented wash. This process requires a still, which can be extremely dangerous if not operated correctly. It is absolutely vital to discard the first 100 milliliters of distillate, known as foreshots, as they contain harmful methanol. Only the hearts of the run are safe for consumption. Always prioritize safety and understand the risks involved with distillation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.